Oh, what's up? I'm back. Okay, on this Easter Saturday, you know. So just got off the phone with Ryan and plugged that. So I'm here doing my thing, and y'all, whoa, I almost took down the stuff. All right, all right. Let's go in the kitchen and see what's cracking. All right, see what's cracking. All right, the eggs are still boiling. Yep. So I'll put this in a different one. You know, I only eat raviolis today. You know, I ain't eating nothing else though. Okay. Mm-hmm. Give me some cheese crackers right now. You know, that's what I've been munching on. Just looking outside. See, should I go check my mailbox or whatever? What a beautiful evening. Yeah, beautiful evening. Mm-hmm. Look at the sun. The sun is shining, you know. Mm-hmm. Focus camera. Can y'all see? All right, that's better. All right. All right. So I go check my mailbox. Look at this area. Oh well. Yeah, these apartments is getting emptier and emptier. I remember one day the house over there was empty for a long time. He might have fixed it up real good, and somebody moved in and oh, none of the mailbox today. All right, all right. I was just seeing what the hell was going to be, you know. Not a cable grant. Y'all look at the sun. Mm-hmm. Yep. On this Easter Saturday, you know. I bet some children is dying eggs and stuff, you know. So let's look at the sun. The sun is shining. Ain't that something, y'all? Yep, ain't that something? Yep. I hope I'm not blinding y'all with that sun. And Randy TV's birthday is coming in a couple of weeks. You know, what the hell he gonna do for his birthday? You know, my word is this: what the hell he gonna do for his birthday? All right, that's all I'm wondering. You know, so I would like to say, what the hell is he gonna do for his birthday? You know, while I'm doing these baskets for them and stuff like that. Ryan should be here in a few, you know. Hope so, you know. Okay. And then Nala's supposed to come, you know. Hmm. So I wonder who gonna come pick it up, Jade or Desiree gonna come pick up Cartier's basket, you know. I might even make one for Lil Ryan, you know. Maybe. All right. And I don't even like apples. Hmm. Yep. It's kind of cool a little bit, you know. So yeah, gotta be careful with that, you know. All right. So You know, I mean, I wasn't thinking. I should have made a basket for my friend Rose Child too. You know, yeah, Rose would have appreciated it. You know, I don't even know if Rose gonna watch this video. I already know Shamika gonna watch this. She gonna tell her I mentioned her name. All right, but Latoya me not watching yet. She'll probably watch this later. I don't know when. If she don't watch it, oh well. I look I look different without my mustache, huh, y'all? Maybe I should have kept my mustache, huh, ladies and gentlemen? Oh well. All right, so that's all for now, ladies and gentlemen. I might as well just go spit. Just kidding. I ain't gonna do that. I'ma just say, why don't I go sit down at somewhere? Okay, I am sitting down. All right. I'll probably be back.